I am super excited to share with you that I am ready with this first kit. I am ready with 9 fun activities for you to do with your little ones at home. The skills that we cover are motor skills, problem solving, number sense and lots more. This kit is now available for you to buy. You need to simply click on the link given below. I also have 3 preview activities for you. Number 1 is the tree activity. I share these supplies with you in the kit. Kids are going to learn number ordering from 10 to 100. The next activity is origami craft. While children learn folds, they are going to make this lovely colorful craft. This makes an amazing decorative item, doesn't it? The next activity is reindeer ball. Children need to follow these simple instructions and make a reindeer out of this paper ball. The next activity is Where is Santa? While children are in this festive mood, they learn this important life skill. Children learn to read the time. Just like these, we have 9 fun activities inside this amazing kit. Let's make learning fun together. Please follow details in the description below.